Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add multiple members in Microsoft Teams in one go. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to search in Google Refine Microsoft Teams and open this website, and you need to download this extension. As you can see that, or you can download this extension from this website. So as you can see that I already download this extension. Then you need to, so I'm going to copy this and paste onto the desktop first, and then I'm going to extract this. So click on extract, and here I am going to extract this. So this file is extracted. Now you simply need to open the Microsoft Edge browser and click on three dots, and here you need to click on extensions. Click on manage extensions. Once you are on this page, you simply need to turn on the developer mode and click on load unpacked and go onto the desktop and select the folder. So you simply need to select this folder. Okay, so now it is here. You simply need to turn off the Microsoft Edge and open Microsoft Edge again and search here MS Teams, and you simply need to log into your Microsoft Teams account. So let me log in. So let me sign in here. So once you are trying to sign into your account, you simply need to sign in here. So it is now signing in. Once it is signed in, let me show you what's the next step you need to follow to complete the steps. So get the window app, click on that option. So it is loading now. So you simply need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, click on create team. Once you click on that, you simply need to name your team, add the description, and click on next. So now it is creating the team. So you need to simply wait, click on skip. Okay, and here is your team. You simply need to click on three dots and click on add member, and here you can add bulk import. You simply need to bulk import by adding the email, and after the email you simply need to give a space and add the semicolon and click on bulk import, and you can add all and click on this add button. Once you done that, all the list is added to your Microsoft team. So this is the simple process by which you can add multiple members in Microsoft Teams in one go. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.